Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to install custom fonts on Windows 10. Okay, so if you go into your Microsoft Word, okay, so your Microsoft Office, you can see the Word application. You can see it comes with various type of fonts, okay, and you have this cloud logo beside it, okay. So yeah, it's pretty fascinating. Okay, so what if you want something different, you want something to stand out? Okay, so today I'm going to show you on how to do that. So you go into your browser, okay, and then you're going to go into a website called thefont.com. the link will be in the description below. Okay, so check that out. So you're going to go to thefont.com. okay, it's a really good website guys. Okay, so you can see they have a lot of fonts here. Okay, so what you're going to do is I'm just going to search for a font. So I'm just going to just say sci-fi, science fiction. You can see they have Star Jedi, Batman Forever, Transformers. Okay, they have a lot of fonts. Okay, so I'm going to actually download this Planet Cosmos. Okay, so I'm just going to go into the Word and show you that I don't have Planet Cosmos. Okay, let's scroll down to P. Okay, you can see here there's no Planet Cosmos. Okay, so we are going to download that. Okay, you can see there's a download button right beside it, and you have this zip file. Okay, make sure you have WinRAR installed or 7-zip installed for this file to appear. Okay, so once you download, you'll get this WinRAR file. Okay, I mean it's a .zip file. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on this true type font file. Okay, you're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on install. Give it a moment, it should install. Okay, it's done. Close this and close that. Refresh. Go into your Word. And you can see Planet Cosmos is there. So now if I type, you can see it's working. It's beautiful. Okay, yep. Okay, so this does not only work for Microsoft Word. Okay, just say you have a software and a writing software. So I have paint.net. okay, I edit my thumbnails with paint.net. so yeah, okay, so no, go away. Okay, so just say I'm going to type something, then we're going to search for Planet Cosmos, which was installed previously. You can see here it says Planet Cosmos. Let's see, type in TechnoRight. Okay, and you can make the word big, 48, 72. Okay, so that's how simple it is guys to install fonts. So if you see any one of this you like, just click on download, open the zip file, click on it, click on the true Word file, install it, and you're done. You basically have that font on your computer on every software which uses the Word or has various fonts. Okay, so basically that's about it. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them in the comments below, and I think that's about it. So please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.